What's up, K&Mtv? Oops.
What's up, K&M
Squad? Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make bricks. To make a mud brick house, an underground mud brick house. We've been working on this for the last, I'll probably say, month and a half. Started from the whole background was just a normal base floor, and I went around and dug the circumference of it. I don't know if you guys can see it good on here.
Let me go in there so you guys can see how deep it is.
So I went around, dug the hole deep until I struck clay, and then after I hit the clay, I just kept going around in circles, making it deeper and deeper and deeper. Watered it, soaked it overnight, soaked it for a couple days to make this soften up the dirt, and then I made the steps. And from the steps, made the body in there. And from the from all this dirt that we used from making the hole, we turned the dirt into the bricks. So the coolest part about this whole project is that all the dirt that we took out of the land is going back in the land at the end when the project's done. So there's nothing gonna be wasted. All this dirt that you see out here will be back in the building right here.
Yep.
So that's what I love about this. So we just wanted to come and say good morning to you guys and let you see our project that we're working on. And
this thing is sturdy. Like, this is a real heavy brick.
Look.
It's not breaking. It's not going nowhere.
Real brick. So you guys like, subscribe, comment. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of the process of how to build them, how to put it together, and then when we're done, you guys will see the final project. K&Mtv, stay tuned.
We out.
Took that Lambo to New York. Yeah, that was legendary. Let off shots in the buddy. Yeah, that was necessary. I be strapped up every day. Yeah, I ain't never worried. All the niggas that like pussy. I got more hard than February. Rock chain in my legacy. Talk to L.A. Reid on a trap phone. Hello. Ooh, I think I got the recipe. I can put the whole trap on. Free my nigga Kodak Black. Look, Kodak. Tell them crackers gone, let the trap home. Free that nigga NBA young boy, and I ain't never even met home. Niggas trying to represent wrong. Watch a hater get shit on. I'm just trying to build my legacy. It all started with the bricks. It all started with your bitch. It all started in your click. Mike Will made the beat, and this shit cost 2 bricks. Legendary. I'm legend. Legacy. Fortune, fame. This shit ahead of me. I built a legacy. Pots, pans, kitchen, regularly. I was nothing to something. I had to make shit right. Came from nothing. I got it straight out the dirt. My granddaddy helped build the Carquinez Bridge. Gave my grandmama 11 kids. A gallon of milk and some eggs in the fridge. A pack of top ramen, some bread and some grits. I got it straight out the dirt, the dust. Checking more cash in the clerk. That's us. Play with me, you will get hurt. I'll bust. I'll put a hole in your shirt. Whoa. The bigger the cap, the bigger the pill, and I'm drilling anybody that wanna stop me making millions. Whoa. The longer the barrel, the stronger the will of the trigger. I pull it, I have your family and they feeling. Whoa. 1 foot on the sprindies, 1 hand on the Bible. I pray for my frenemies, pray for my rival. Got trademarks and entities, licenses, businesses. No female tendencies, niggas is bitch. From the concrete streets to the golf course. When I'm in LA, I'm at the Waldorf. If I'm in the mood for an entree, Napa Valley reservations at the French Laundry.
What's up, K&M Squad? I'm gonna need you guys to stop what you're doing and go and follow our new Instagram account at K&Empire. We're going up and we're following the first 100 followers. Follow us today and join the family. Gang!
Big ups in this video, know what the fuck going on. Snowed up. Gang. They see me standing on my own, I ain't no fucking boy. Bitch, I'm the man and since a youngin' been a fucking boy. I'm blowing strong in every picture, that's a Polaroid. Niggas can't touch me if they try, bitch, I think I'm Floyd. Can't let a nigga on my side, I'm too paranoid. That pistol kissed me, I survived, now I'm ready for it. Told my nigga Pam, I'ma slide, you already know it. Don't even gotta tell me why, just tell me where we going. Bitch, I'm with this shit and I ain't never bang. Riding with this shit and that's on everything. I've been trying to keep it cool, please believe me, man. But if a nigga made me do it, I'll make a mistake. Never chase a bitch, I'm trying to chase a bank. But like Michael Jordan with my tongue out, I'ma fade away. Grinding for my family till my family straight. I'ma hustle till till I got 100 in the safe. I've been getting money on my own. Coming out the sewer, getting to it, I'm a stunt. Baby, hate the bitches tryna snap me on the phone. Pussy niggas tryna join me, see me standing on my own. I've been getting money on my own. Coming out the sewer, getting to it, I'm a stunt. Baby, hate them bitches tryna snap me on the phone. Pussy niggas tryna join me, see me shining on my own.